Hello everyone. So if you cannot find your Wi-Fi network on your Android phone, here's how to fix that. So first of all, let's open up our settings, of course. There we are. After that, you are to open up your network and internet or connection step. If you are using something, let's open it up. Open up your internet or Wi-Fi or something once again and simply turn off. Wait a couple seconds and let's turn our Wi-Fi back on. If you still cannot find your network, I recommend you to tap at the top right corner at this tool. It's gonna reset our Wi-Fi settings. It's not that deep, it's just like reboot your internet. So maybe you will find it right here. If the problem still persists, let's go back to our main settings. After that, you are to scroll down to your system tab. On settings, it's gonna be general management, I believe. So open up set system and now scroll down to your reset options, choose it. And here you are to locate reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Simply tap here, confirm your choice by pressing reset. You'll have this pop-up message that your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings has been reset, and basically that is it. Now you are to open up your network and internet tab, tap on internet, wait for your phone to detect all the networks. If you see the desired network, simply tap on it, enter the password, press connect, and boom, you're connected. If the problem still persists, I recommend you to summon your power off menu. It happens in a different way in different phones. For me, it's to press power button and volume down button. And simply choose your restart option. Right? So if you're gonna restart your phone, sometimes it fixes many issues. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.